Hello, good morning. Welcome back my vlog, Ronak Diary. Samahan nyo kami sa aming pamamasyal. Pasyal at ano na din. Tawag yan. Pasyal at bibili at magsundo kay David. So, tara! Let's go! Ayan na, papakal. Ay. Yung aking my love.
Maganda ka sa umaga, te.
Maganda sa umaga talaga.
Maganda kayo sa umaga sa lahat.
Oh, siyempre. Kahit
Maganda.
naman hindi, sabihin natin na lang na oo, di ba? Tapos pwede na yun, tapos magpa-cute yun, di ba? So, pasyal na. Di magsusundo kami kay David, katapos lang kanina ng nagsimba ng first mass, 6:30 to 7:30. Tapos si David, magpunta sa school niya. Yung bang nagkakatikista kasi si David. Susunduin namin kasi ang simula ng niya 8:30 hanggang 10 o'clock. Pasado 10 na, wala pa kami. Hindi pa kami dumating. Siguro nag-i-snack na yun, tapos naghihintay din. Tapos pagkatapos nito, sundo, I think magkusko kasi wala nang sa bahay, wala na kaming asukal. Ano pa ba yung mga iba pang
Marami nang wala.
marami na wala. Tapos bigas, di ba?
Lahat nang wala, bibilhin.
Yung mga gamit sa pang-araw-araw, ayan. Punta tayo. Samahan nyo kami sa Cusco. See you later.
So hi everyone, we're already in St. Teresa waiting for my nephew and he's here already.
Nandito na si Bunso. Hello.
Say hi.
Hello, my day. Hi the vlog, baby. Hi the car.
Hi everybody, we're here.
Give me.
Welcome back, we're gonna take over again. We're gonna take over?
late to pick me up?
I
Because
forgot.
we ate first.
You eat snack? What is
Did
snack?
you eat snacks there?
Yeah, but they eat a little bit. But I want some more. I want to eat more.
What you want?
What did you eat
Did you eat?
I don't know what. I don't know what. I cannot eat the snackies.
What's the snacks there? Did you bring? Oh,
Can I go Jollibee?
no.
Again?
Where
We
did you
did
go
last
then?
time. At home.
Where did you go then?
Go
At
Cusco,
home.
that's why.
Huh?
Go Cusco.
We're gonna go Costco. So hi guys, we're now at Costco, but we're gonna fill up gas first before we go what, Mom?
Before you go Cusco, go shopping. Go buy groceries. Like
We're
that.
not gonna shop. We're just gonna like
Grocery.
buy groceries like first of all rice, sugar, and other things. Milk. Oh no, we have milk from kasi yesterday nag-pick up kami ng food produce kay Papa kasi dito sa Hawaii, meron silang Hawaii Food Bank which is the government gave boxes of groceries, something like milk, juice, cereals, and canned goods. So, meron kaming milk sa bahay. Thank you sa food
the
bank.
bank.
Muntik pa kami hindi makakuha kasi they only have like 2 more boxes to like dalawa na lang naiwan and then
Buti na lang tinawag.
they are kinda saving that one, Ma'am. Sinisave nila para dun sa dalawang matanda.
Oo,
But the
sinabi.
thing is, first come, first serve. So, pag natawag yung number mo,
Yun.
they're gonna give it to you. Kasi waitlisted kami kasi kakasubmit lang ng document kahapon. Para next week, mayroon ng separate box para naka-prepare kay Papa. I mean, next month. Let's go! And then
Let's
tomorrow,
go.
we're gonna make another video kasi we're going to Wermouth.
Going to wheat market, buy some vegetables, and I think vegetables because a lot of fish in the fridge.
Yeah, we have a lot of fridge kasi si Papa pa nagpipick up siya ng boxes sa pier.
May
Yung mga friends niya
nagbibigay.
doon, nagbibigay ng, anong mga binibigay mo?
Tuna or yellowfin, iba-iba na isda, may pusit na malalaki. So, salamat sa mga customer namin dyan sa Pier 38 and 38 and 26, I think.
Yeah, I think, Ma'am.
Yeah. So,
Kasi nung New Year nga, meron kaming handang malaking pusit.
thank you sa inyong lahat dyan sa pier. Mga nagbibigay. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Yeah.
And maraming salamat din sa mga nagbibigay ng gulay sa amin sa Kanyuhi, sa bundok. Nalimutan ko lang yung street. Yung mga taga Barong.
Yeah, they're
Salamat
giving
sa
us,
inyo,
like,
Manang.
vegetable. Tas ngayon
Nakakalibre
nga,
kami.
ano
May
yun,
nagbigay na naman ng saging at ano yun, yung kalabasa. Kaya ang sarap. Thank you.
So, see you later.
See
Bye.
you later. Hi, I'm here at Costco. Samahan nyo kami at tingnan natin kung mura ang bilihin or iyon pa din.
Baka nagmahal na ngayon.
Oo nga eh. Good morning. Sorry. Bagi ko. Yan na.
David, lower the volume.
May ano na, may
Lower the volume.
may picture mo. Hello, bili tayo ng kailangan natin. Pero hindi ako pwede magbayad ha, kasi wala itong pambayad. Saan tayo muna? Bili tayo ng saging. Ito yung ganiri. Kasi masarap itong ganito. $5, $5.49 a pound. Pinapahinog ko na lang to. Kumukuha ako ng, yun ang lapit nga pala sa akin. Ayoko yung mahahaba. Pakiabot nga to. Ito yung ganyan. Yung wag lang yung mahahaba na. Mahaba eh. Yung parang ganito lang na ano, ayan ganyan. Dali itong ano na siya oh, parang nag-yellow na. Dalawang supot ulit. Kasi pag hindi na, uy may ganyan tayo, hala, nalimutan ko na. Baka sira na yun.
What you got? Crown Royal. That's Papa's favorite alcohol, the Crown Royal. Whenever we go to Costco, he always get one.
Yung
Hindi
mangga
nawawala sa
na
list.
hinog na. Mangga kaya.
What else? We already got bananas here. And we're still looking for something.
Di ka kumuha ng ano, ng prutas kung gusto mo. Okay. Wag na. Ayan na lang tinapay. Sit down, David.
Just sit down.
Ayan, oh.
Which one? This one, Mom? The
Or
croissant?
yung palaman, marami tayong palaman, yung ano na
Yeah,
lang,
the
bread
white
na lang.
bread na lang, Ma.
Oo.
Yeah. Excuse me, ma'am. No worries. So we're now going to get their signature rotisserie chicken.
Give the chicken.
We're getting chicken.
Sa loob, siguro. Yan.
This one.
Sana hindi, ano,
See,
okay na yun siguro.
we got a chicken already.
Come here,
Why
come
are you smelling it?
If it smells bad, I don't like. If it smells good, it's good.
Ito. Bili tayo nito kasi wala na akong stock doon. Isang ganto. And then, saan yung ano, sa kabila?
I want to come.
Kuha tayo nito kasi wala nang panglinis doon. Maria kasi. Naiibang ano din to. Pareho din. Ay, apat lang.
That one is 5.
Yan pala tayo nung kape. Yung bigas, ano yun? Hindi yan nga eh. Yung mabango. Wala sila dito. Ay, ibang klase man to. Thailand juice. Saan na ba tayo ulit? Saan na yung kape doon? Dito. Ano yun? No what? Gugit. Gugit.
What?
Bibili daw siya niyan. Siya daw ang ang magbubuhat. Ang tagal bago nagkaroon ng ganyan kung saan mayroon na tayong binig. Saan na banda? Bili tayo ng white bread. White bread tayo. Ay, ito ba?
Yeah. 19 is the best thing. One more
80.
day.
80.
19.
Okay. Thank you. Salamat. Ito ada pala man tayo. Saan? Nag-agpilian lang nga ron.
Ano din talaga?
19.
11 lang ita.
Maubos to. Saan na kaya yung coffee? May mga vitamins pa ba tayo? Hindi ko tiningnan. Yung ano, malapit na maubos. Yung bibili na lang nga tayong isa. Bili tayo ng vitamins. Kasi paubos na yung vitamins. Ano pang bibilhin mo? Dito na naman to siya. 23 na.
We're gonna look for
Thank you.
flowers.
Why we need
Magkano isa niyan?
This one is $10, Mom. $10. How about this? These are 25.
Saan na ba tayo? Madamihan kasi to.
This one is
Ma-
$17.99.
Aray, David.
David, careful.
Aray, maramihan kasi.
Yeah.
Ano to? Hindi ko makita ang
It
presyo.
doesn't have price, Mom. It's like ganito lang.
Ah,
$17.99.
ay, lahat sila niyan.
Yeah, bouquet flower.
Oo. Come here, nakakumuha na ako ng ganyan. Maramihan kasi man. Yung, di ba yung,
Mama? Why we need flowers?
I put Mama Mary again.
No.
Nakuha ako ng vitamins. Nagpila na si Papa mo. Wala dito. Sa kabila yun. Bumalik na naman tayo eh.
Did you get the bread already, ma?
Yeah.
Oh, it's here, mom.
Yung ano.
The coffee. Should I get
yeah.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. So, earlier, we're looking for the coffee. Hindi namin siya makita. Kasi, nilabas pala nila dito sa harap. So, it's here.
No, thank you.
This is what we're looking for. Because this is what the one that we're using. It's only 120 cups. But we're getting one. So, meron tayong nakitang coffee. Ito yung ginagamit namin. Kasi before, we're using the Starbucks on Dunkin'. But it's kind of pricey. So, kumuha tayo ng mas cheaper
No.
here
This one.
in Costco.
Take a picture now, take a picture now. Go on! Point the hubble at me, don't lose sight. I'm high society. Oh, honey, if you believe in gravity, just watch and learn. I am a rocket, there's no way you could stop me if you tried. I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down.
Hello. Welcome back again my video. Tapos na sa Cusco, umuwi ng bahay, tapos kumain. Ngayon, sama na ulit mag-pick up ng bags kay Habi. Okay. Let's go, samahan niyo kami sa pag-pick up ng bags. Biyahe tayo, sama kayo.
Look into my eyes, look into
David at si Papa at si JD. Sana.
They flash like fire. Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flag and stick it where you like. I'm reaching higher. Oh, darling, and if you think the planet's grip can hold me back, I am a rocket. There's no way you can stop me if you try. I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the other.
Dito na kami sa aming pipick-upan. Dito. Sa ang building. Sa right. Ayan. Kailangan nata tayong parking. May nagka-atras. Baba na tayo. Punta na tayo sa pag-make up. Baba lahat. Make up tayo. Alam ko sa first floor. Saan ba yan? Ayun. Mag-make up tayo ng 5 box sa isang bahay. Yan ang i-pick upin ni Papa. Bakit ito hindi? Ha?
Apurahan dahil walang parking.
Magmadali kami kasi walang parking dito. Ayan na, oh.
Alis to the bike ko na.
At daalis to,
Nasang kita kide.
at daalis to, mabayag ni Suma. Pasensya na tayo medyo mapayat.
Hindi,
Not expected ah.
hanga pare-pareho biyahe. Anong pare-pareho?
Mausar po kayo lang ha.
Pumayat
Para ka-accept na meron ganas dyan. Kung may kapwa.
Ay, customer mo pala yun, Papa eh.
260.
So we're done picking up the boxes from the first customer. We're now going home para mag-unload si Papa ng boxes, and then we'll go Salt Lake to pick up another box. Ooh,
Where's Salt Lake?
Salt Lake, that right there. Because Papa gotta pick up another boxes. So Papa gotta unload this one. Then we're gonna go there again to pick up boxes.
Look into my eyes, look into my eyes. Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire. Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flag and stick it where you like. I'm reaching higher. Oh, darling, and if you think the planet's grip can hold me back, I am a rocket. There's no way you can stop me if you try. I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Say your au revoir, baby. I was made for the stars. Listen to my voice, listen to my voice. Coming at you like a lion's roar. I won't go quietly. Take a picture now, take a picture now. Go on, point the hubble at me, don't lose sight. I'm high society. Oh honey, if you believe in gravity, just watch and learn.
Ayan, nakauwi na kami. Nakita niyo naman na mahirap ang buhay sa US or sa Amerika. Pero tiyaga lang para kumita at magkapera kahit mahirap. Kaya naman,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para update kayo sa next video. And don't forget to leave your comments para sa aming next video. Bye! Thank you for supporting.